Welcome to part 2 of I'm going completely overboard with my house insulation. And this is what happened last week. Thank you for your patience of waiting 1 week, and let's just jump into it.
Wieso hast du nicht so ein Gerät?
Keine Ahnung, haben wir glaube ich sogar, ne? Die provisorische Regenrinne geht genau in mein Kellerfenster rein.
An wen denkst du da so, wenn du da drauf haust?
Boah, das war jetzt richtig viel Druck. Remember when I said that the rain is the one thing that worries me the least? Dicht wie ein U-Boot. That changed. It changed. Just to get you up to speed, we finished packing the whole house into the membrane. Today is when we kind of frame the windows in the joist system. It is a lot easier to show you than to talk about it, but that is the probably most work-intense step that we're facing today in this beautiful weather.
Perfekt.
All right, the first joist upright is installed. It's pretty straightforward. You simply screw it into the timber frame. 120 centimeter screws. 120 centimeters? No.
No.
120 millimeter screws, and it's rock solid. And now it's just a matter of doing it everywhere and also doing it around the windows, which probably takes a little bit more time, but we got the start done. Dran? Whoa! Perfect balance. Okay, we got the first 2 rows done, and it's so much quicker, and it feels like, I don't know if it translates to camera, but it feels like an actual wall. The only thing, because this is super fast, the only thing that is taking some time is all the cutouts for the windows. But the rest is just pretty easy. 3 screws, done.
Der ist einer gebrochen.
So nämlich.
Okay, geil. All right, you might wonder, what's this gap right here? Around the house, the first 30 centimeters we cannot do with the wooden sheets. We have to use styrofoam, unfortunately. We don't like to use styrofoam, but that's the only way, because especially where it's closer to the ground, like back there, the water that kind of reflects from the ground is pretty heavy, so we need to make this bulletproof. And then we have this tar stuff, hold on, that wraps around this, and then all of the underside is 100% waterproof as well. All right, it is Tuesday. We started this project 9 days ago, and I was sure we could get it done. Such a big team. Everybody was so motivated. We're not even halfway there, to be honest with you. I always say that. I totally underestimated this project. I have never underestimated anything as much as I underestimated working on the outside insulation. I mentioned it before, it's like we essentially, my arms, my arms are so tired from working that I cannot hold the tripod. Hold on. Okay, this is better. I said it before, we essentially built an entire house around this house, which is a lot of work, but that was not the problem. The problem is that the house is so crooked. It's an old house, and to build something that is meant to be straight around something that is not takes a lot of adapting, a lot of improvisation, and a lot of time-consuming detail work. Long story short, we didn't get it done. We were all pretty disappointed because we all worked so hard. The good news is you will get more house content because we need to finish this, and especially here under the roof. I've been working on this yesterday. So up here we have to work with regular Flex insulation, and as you can see we also have to work around, you know, the roof stuff, all the angles. Okay, let's go to the other side of the house. There you can see more of the detail work we did, because that's where it's not covered by insulation yet, because we didn't get it done. Okay, here you can see these are the joist uprights, the ones that we used downstairs everywhere. We couldn't use them here because the plaster is sticking out so much, so we couldn't get a straight line, and that's why we had to have at least every other beam be solid wood with these distance pieces. Long story short, I thought we could do it, totally underestimated it. We didn't get it done, but that doesn't mean I'm unhappy with the process or the project. It is insane how much progress we made. The teamwork is incredible. I think we have the perfect setup. Again, like I want to thank the team. I want to thank Steiko for the support, for giving us the materials, for helping us with expertise. Holzschmiede, oh my God, I could not do it without you. So thank you so much. You already know this. Also my team, Janine, Vera, and Felix. We all did everything we could. And sometimes it just doesn't work out. It is an entire house. So now looking back, I don't even know what I was thinking to expect us to get it done in a week. And of course, I want to thank you guys for watching, for supporting this project, for staying interested in this never-ending project. And I'll see you next week with a new video. And I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I'm enjoying taking a quick break from installation now. I need to do something else. Okay, the video is done, but I want to talk about the sponsor of this video, Brilliant.org. I said it many times before, Brilliant is a hands-on way to learn about science, math, and computer science. They have thousands of lessons and they add new content every month. All right, angles made by lines. Create two equal angles that add up to the straight line. Yeah. So, oder? Correct. The cool thing is, it is rewarding even if it's simple stuff. And you gotta enjoy the simple stuff, at least in my case, because it gets complicated pretty fast. So I'm happy with where I am right now. It's learning a little bit every day and that actually adds up to quite a bit. To try everything that Brilliant has to offer for a full 30 days for free, click the link in the description or go to brilliant.org/LauraKampf. And the first 200 of you will get 20% off of Brilliant's annual premium subscription. So Brilliant is not only a great way to learn about math, it also makes me a better problem solver. So thank you, Brilliant, for that. And also thank you, of course, for the ongoing support of our work.